Thread damage is a common and frustrating challenge that can occur as the result of a variety of factors. Typically, thread damage on a male thread like a screw or a bolt, for instance, is caused when incorrect bolt torque is used. When thread fretting occurs as a result of prolonged vibration during machining applications, or when threads become worn after extended use over time. Damaged threads on a screw or bolt can often be fixed by running a die over it, and if a thread's damage is minimal, it may be possible to reform the threads by running a nut up and down them, though that runs the risk of the nut fusing to the thread. We can repair the damaged threads by using this super tool. Let's watch this process.